Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can apply for PNC Bank's credit card from your mobile device. So first of all, go to any web browser on your mobile device and in the web address bar type in pnc.com, and once you're in this website, scroll a little bit down and there you can see an option under Explore and Apply Online Credit Cards option. So tap on it. And now you can compare credit cards by tapping the option Compare Our Credit Cards, but if you scroll down, you can also see different types of credit cards. If you keep scrolling down, you can see various types of credit cards. So select the credit card which you like the most and want to apply on it. And once you've selected a credit card, tap on Apply Now to apply on the card. Now scroll down and then answer whether you currently use PNC online banking or not. After that, tap Continue. And now it will take you to this page where you'll have to enter your first name, last name, your zip code, city, state, primary phone number, and your alternate phone number, your email address, social security number, or your ITIN. After that, you'll have to enter your date of birth, mother's maiden name, housing status, monthly housing payment, and employment status. And if you are a student, tap on the box in front of I am a student, but if you are not, simply leave the box and then tap Continue. After that, once you follow all the steps provided to you, you'll have successfully applied for PNC Bank's credit card. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.